Hello, Shiny Universe! Magandang araw! Join me today for a little unboxing! And stick until the end as I reveal the total amount I spent for all this pile. Total of 16 orders. But just to give you a perspective, this entire pile, I'll try to pan up. This whole pile is equivalent to the amount I spent on this iHerb product. And by the way, if you enjoy unboxing videos and you're also looking for honest product reviews with helpful tips, hit that subscribe button, also like and share. It's a simple way to support the channel. It's totally free and helps me create more content for you. Okay, let's not keep you waiting any longer and let's start unboxing. Honestly though, I have vague idea on the specific products inside some of these packages. Since the advent of scammers skimming the shipping labels for personal data, and of course the package thieves, the online platforms have made changes like some no longer include details on what products are inside, understandably so. Also, some sellers, unless it's a well-known brand, use their personal names instead of their shop name. So that's another thing to decipher. Have you ever received a package that you can't remember what's inside and you ask yourself, what did I buy this time? I had moments when I had impulse buy at 3 a.m. Like you see an item that you never really planned to buy, but at that moment you are convinced that you really, really, really needed it. It's something like life changing. Sometimes you don't buy it right away for good reason, yet you kind of obsess about it for days until you finally give in. Then, the seller don't ship it right away. Days or even a couple of weeks has passed since. And then, finally, a delivery guy knocks at your door. You have other deliveries that day, since online shopping is now integral to your lifestyle. So, no biggie, you are already expecting something to be delivered today. But when you get handed over your package, you ask yourself, which one is this? What is this again? What did I buy last time? You already prepaid it, so the only thing to know is open the package. This is one of those packages. Let's see what's inside. It's securely packed and taped on all edges. I also don't mind seeing reused corrugated boxes like this. I think it's a smart way to use resources. Oh, I think I know it now. The highly coveted rose bowl sardines. These are quite hard to find. Some individuals have been hoarding this either for their own consumption or for resale. I don't exactly remember the taste of this one. The last one I had a rose bowl sardines was when I was a kid. And at that time, it was even scarcer, as you could only see this at the big cities where you can find imported aisle at the groceries or at the duty-free shops. Watch out for a review on this one as I compare it with more commonly available brands of sardines. Of course, we'll keep it all tomato-based, not olive oil. And just like that, we are 3 boxes down and 30 more to go. This next one, I actually know what's inside. And it got me thinking, have you ever bought anything online that's considered a little unusual? For my non-Filipino viewers, this next one might fall just into that category. Filipino or not, have you ever bought anything online that is considered unusual? What was it? Leave it in the comments. As for this package, here it is. Pack of dried fishes. To be specific, we have tuyo and daing na tilapia. These are quite traditional for Filipinos to eat them during breakfast, although you can eat them any time of the day if you wish. The seller even gave me some freebies, a few pieces of tuyo. It's actually my first time buying from the seller. They have two primary variants of tuyo, salinas and the scaleless variety. So it's pretty much the same fish, but they have removed the scales before drying the other variety, and the salinas is just the whole fish being dried. I bought 100 grams of each to sample which is better. To my naked eye, and since I'm not wearing glasses, this looks very similar. There are still scales on the supposedly scaleless variant. And the other thing here is the tilapia. It's a pack of 250 grams. It is mentioned as medium-sized tilapia, so I think this is not your large tilapia that you could now see in most of the local markets. It also comes with scales. Smells all right, looks all right, not too fishy or not rancid in a sense. I might need to soak this dough overnight and descale them before frying. Let's open another food item. Wanna guess what could be inside this? A little hint. It's dark, almost black. It feels solid, but actually it's not. Hopefully you can guess it before I reveal it. Any final guesses there? Ta-da! It's a gluten-free soy sauce by Lee Kum Kee. This is not available in the stores near me, so it's convenient to purchase online, especially during sale when you get product discounts and free shipping vouchers. The SRP for this is around 148 pesos or 146, but I also found other online sellers that sell this as high as 195 pesos. Oh my grief! But after my discounts and shipping vouchers, I end up paying just 117 pesos. That's a big discount, and I always love a good bargain. Some of you might ask, why gluten free? Isn't that just a fad? And you're just spending too much money on food? Actually, gluten sensitivity is a real thing. While I don't deny that some adapt the gluten free diet as a lifestyle choice and as an effect of the fad, personally, my digestive issues has improved since I have limited my gluten intake, especially as a Filipino. I love my adobos, my stir fries, my pancit, and these are recipes that my palate feels incomplete without soy sauce. Okay, moving on, and enough with the soy sauce and gluten-free talk. This little package contains something I've been curious to try. It is snake brand cooling powder with anaka. Don't worry, no actual snakes were harmed in the making of this video. This product is from Thailand. For those unfamiliar though, anaka is a yellowish white cosmetic paste or sometimes comes as a powder made from the ground bark of Anaka tree, primarily found in Myanmar. In fact, it's a national symbol of Myanmar and a common cultural feature of the country. It's seen on faces as well as arms of women and girls, and lesser extent by men and boys. Beyond its cosmetic use as a traditional makeup though, Tanaka offers a cooling sensation and is believed to provide sun protection, help with acne, and promote smooth skin. Its use dates back centuries and it is deeply intertwined with Burmese culture and traditions. Other Southeast Asian countries also use this, like Thailand, as is the case, and Laos, and even outside of Southeast Asia, like India, Nepal, and Pakistan. Are you still with me? We have now unpacked 6 packages and boxes, and we still have 10 to go. I think this is my largest online purchase with packages delivered almost at the same time. So for now, I leave you there and let's continue our unboxing tomorrow. We still have 10 boxes and packages to unpack. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button now. Also, don't forget to like and share. Salamat at sa uulitin.